guys, welcome to Guacamole Explosion. We explode people in Roblox games that have
Elephant green screen effect.
bombs. Although I am the person who created the YouTube and the group, I'm not the founder. This is McDee's. Do you have anything to say, McDee's?
My fellow Americans, I think we have a problem, so let's just...
Next one is our lead admin, Turts. Short for Turtle Planes. Hey, wait, you gotta run me over. So do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say?
Hello! I like planes and turtles.
That's kind of obvious, because your name has Turt and Turtle, and you have a turtle and paper planes around you. Alright! Alright, the next person we will be seeing is our admin. Guy. Hi, guy.
Get out of my swamp! We're at Guacamole Explosions today! Yeah!